guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. If you've always seen this type of lipstick combos and you wonder how it's being done, come right here and I'll teach you how to do it. So you start off by lining the lips with a black lip liner or pencil or even eyebrow pencil, just any black that can hold on, and then you go ahead to add purple on the line. Mix it properly because you don't want that black showing through that much, and then you go ahead with red lipstick. I'm using L'Oreal Paris red lipstick, and then I add nude lipstick from Maybelline New York. I blend everything, also blend with the brush just to let that ombre effect come out. Blend to eliminate harsh line, but let the ombre effect speak. And then we add some gloss, and that is it, guys. Thank you all for watching. Bye.